What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Today we got a couple brand new REDODO 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. These are LiFePo4 batteries, and these guys are actually having a huge sale. Thank you so much to REDODO for sending these over to us for a review today. Now we have these DC to DC converters, as you guys just saw me build this thing on camera. This is just a piece of unistrut, and I'm going to be screwing this to the wall inside the crypto mining solar trailer to feed all of the mini doges, as you guys can see right here. But first, what we need to do is check over these REDODO batteries. I want to open up this box right here, show you guys how they come packaged, and then I do have some other plans for the trailer. I want to show you guys what my thoughts are with this bus bar, or these bus bars rather, that we just picked up. As you can see, it comes with a nice product manual and a little user guide with all of their information on the packet itself. Then they have, this whole safety warning thing right here. So just make sure you guys look over this when you guys are purchasing batteries. Then also, if you look in here, these batteries are very well foamed. And they do have a sticker here that says tear off, because these are your bolts and caps. As you can see, the battery is nice and safe inside. So let's get this thing out and we'll test them up. All right, so they're both unpackaged. As you can see, all the nuts and bolts are right here. Then we have the, again, manuals on the table here. And both batteries, they look very similar to almost all of the other batteries we have in the trailer, which is pretty interesting. Now, they got the same little epoxied terminals here. This is the positive. Obviously, we got the negative over here. Now, they have the threads inside, which are very nice. But overall, these are like replicas of the other batteries we have inside the trailer. No joke. Same style, everything, rope handle, like legit. Everything looks the same except for the sticker and obviously the colors of the plastic. We have white and gray instead of, black and orange. But either way, these look great. Let's get over to the testing of the voltage. And then what we're going to do is, I guess, just take this into the crypto mining solar trailer. I don't think I'm actually going to go through and hook up the Doge miner. I don't really think it makes too much sense. But let's go and see where we can actually get these things into the trailer, even though I'm not going to hook them up today. But I do want to go over my plans of this thing, because I am super excited to see if we can get this thing fully hooked up. All right, let's test the DC voltage. All right, so they're 13.17. That's good. Same thing, 13.17, exactly the same. All right, good. So the voltage on both these batteries are good. They're both fully charged. That's always a plus. Even down to the nuts and bolts, these batteries are exactly the same as the other ones. It's kind of funny. I'm not going to be ripping this battery apart in this video. If you guys are interested in something like that, there are plenty of channels that have done that. These batteries are actually relabeled. They used to be called Zoom, and now they're called REDODO. I don't know why they went through a rebranding, but either way, that's what they did. So if you guys are looking for these batteries online, reviews, whatever, feel free to go check them out. But I know these are on sale right now for $2.99, and that's a pretty good deal for a lithium iron battery. Now, what I want to get into is going over my plans for the trailer, right? We have these bus bars right here that I actually need to get out of the package so we can go over it. As you can see, I don't know why these didn't come in a small baggie like these guys. They were just like loose kicking around in there, so everything dumped out all over the place. But these are the bus bars we just purchased. So I got these ones on purpose for the sake of the DC to DC converters, because these wires right here are easier to connect to these type of small screws. As you guys know, in the crypto mining trailer, the bus bars that are there have 4 of these in between the big terminals, and I actually used 2 of them to hook up one of the Doge miners in there already. This guy is going to, just be connected to all of these on the wall, and I'm going to have a main wire coming from the actual bus bar bolt right here, going back to the other bus bar, and this whole setup will be fused on its own. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's the whole purpose behind these bus bars. Now, having these 2 batteries getting added to the solar trailer will give us 1,500 amp hours of battery power, which is awesome, and I cannot wait to get all of these things hooked up. So let's go outside real quick. I want to show you guys the trailer, show you where we're going to be putting these inside the trailer, and then you guys can let me know in the comments if it's a good idea. Let's do it. All right, in the crypto mining trailer next to the CPU mining rigs and the grow watt inverter, what I'm going to do is leave space for another inverter right here, because eventually I want to up this thing and get some more solar panels and a whole nother setup. Now, this right here is going to probably be mounted as low as this, right? probably to the bottom of the CPU mining rigs. That way I can put the other one right below that, and then I can figure out how to like maybe put the Doges or whatever right here on a shelf, like this one right here. I don't know, we'll see. So let me get this hung on the wall, and then we'll situate the bus bars as well. All right, so I put a couple screws right there so I can literally just put this thing up on like that. And then I can mount it like secured once I get everything situated. So I might put the other one like right down here, because as you guys know, I have 9 of these converters fully, but I'm only going to be hooking up 8 units, I believe, for right now. I don't know. Let me know if you think that's a good idea, being able to like lift it up and down, and then I can always, you know, fully secure it at some point at a later date. Now, what I'm going to do with these bus bars, I think I actually might put them like this right underneath, like one here and then the negative one here, because then I can put the other DC converters right below it, facing up to it, and then all the wires can just literally land right into the bus bar itself, and I don't have to extend any of these inputs. And then the outputs are the only ones I will have to extend over to, you know, where they're going. So the plan is to take a wire off of these, right? So these are the bus bars feeding everything else right now. So positive is going to loop over, and it's going to go down and feed those bus bars, and then same thing, negative, feed over to the bus bars. But let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. If I have one row like that, the other one facing up, and then the 2 bus bars in the middle. I think that's a great idea, but again, you guys can let me know. Stay tuned for this video. I am going to be doing a step-by-step how to CPU overclock inside the BIOS. Even though all BIOSes are different, I will try to do a live stream and a video just to show you guys the basic rules of thumb, I guess, when it comes to overclocking. But either way, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. REDODO, thank you so much for sending those batteries over. I'm going to be throwing them on the shelf right here. These batteries used to be called Zoom. They are now REDODO, and they do have a big sale going on. So feel free to go check them out. I'll leave all the links down below in the description. Appreciate you guys all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.